So if you're wondering how you can get a loan through Credit Karma, then the simple answer is Credit Karma itself doesn't lend you any money, they just compare the top services. So here's how you can find the best service for you, depending on what you need. Just go to creditkarma.com and go to loans right here. Then you can just go and sign into your account. Then on the Credit Karma website, here on personal loans, you can see you have normal personal loan, you have debt consolidation loans, same-day loans, emergency, major purchase, home improvement, personal loans for no credit, personal loans for bad credit, and personal loans articles and loan calculators. Now, for example, in the calculator, you can determine your estimated payouts depending on how much your interest rate is, your loan term, stuff like that. So I do recommend using this. For example, if you want to have a loan of $2,500, and on the website it says they have a estimated interest rate of 35% and that it's per year, and you want to have a loan of 24 months and your credit score is, let's say, fair, then you can see your initial loan was $2,500 and your total interest paid is over $1,000. Now if you do it for, say, 40 months, then you can see it becomes more. So this calculator is pretty helpful, but some of these services have like insane interest rates of 160%, for example. And then if you get a loan this long, then it's very, very bad. But what you want to gonna do is just go to Credit Karma, go to loans, select the one that you want, then just click on it, and then you can find the best one for you. So here are a few lenders. For example, this one is for debt consolidation loans. And then you can compare them in terms of the APR, which is the annual percentage rate. And you can just compare them, see which one is the best, and just find the best service for you. So that is how you can actually get a loan through Credit Karma. You should just go to the offers and then click on those that you want. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.